How to reactivate your Doordash account. Now, first things first is you won't be able to do anything from the application itself or even on the web version if you log into your account. So what you want to do is just to submit an appeal of your account being deactivated. Now use any preferred web browser on your end if it's going to be your mobile or your laptop. Now just simply type in Doordash reactivation. Then choose on the very first result that will take out to DoorDash article about activating or reactivating accounts. And here our main goal is to have into or access the specific appeal form for us just to fill it out. And once you're here, just simply scroll all the way down till you find the first tab. Now click on this option here that says appeal form and you will be redirected to another page. In here, all you have to do is just to simply follow on-screen prompts for you to be able to state the reason why your account was deactivated if the deactivation has no further reason. Now input the email address that you have used the account that was being deactivated and then just choose on necessary reason here why. Hit on next and follow all the remaining steps for you to be able to successfully or completely submit an appeal form. And once done, all you have to do next is just to wait from the customer support on DoorDash that will be communicated via the email address that you used. So I believe that's your last resort for you to be able to reactivate your DoorDash account.